Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your PC uses UEFI firmware and supports Secure Boot, because Secure Boot won't work in legacy mode. Once done, back up your files, and if firmware allows, export existing Secure Boot keys for recovery. Next, set a supervisor or administrator password inside the firmware to unlock key management options. Then reboot directly into UEFI/BIOS using your motherboard key or Windows Advanced Startup. These steps put you in the firmware, with permissions to change Secure Boot settings immediately. You now handle the keychain that enforces trust. In key management, review the platform key (PK), key exchange key (KEK), allowed signatures database (DB), and forbidden list (DBX). Make a deliberate choice. Keep vendor-provided Microsoft/vendor keys for Windows and common drivers, or import your own signed keys for a custom setup. To add keys, put the signed certificate files on a FAT32 USB stick. Select Import/Enroll, and follow firmware prompts to install each PK, KEK, and DB entry. This step ensures only trusted bootloaders run. You're ready to turn Secure Boot on. Enable Secure Boot in the UEFI interface now that keys are enrolled. Save changes and reboot. After booting, verify status. On Windows, use msinfo64 to check Secure Boot. On Linux, use mokutil sbstate or sbctl get variables. If the system refuses to boot, don't panic. Reboot into UEFI, disable Secure Boot temporarily, or restore your previously exported keys. Make sure Legacy (CSM) is disabled and your bootloader is signed. This resolves most boot failures while keeping your platform secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.